This is what $3.5 million can get you in the heart of LA.
My name is Alex Larshevek, and I'm a software engineer by day and a real estate investor by night. Today we are going to take you on a tour of what $3.5 million can get you in LA.
This new bohemian modern home is 5 beds and 6 baths located about 5 minutes away from the Grove. It stands at 3,099 square feet and has a nice open floor plan to bring all the light in. Upon entering the house, you're greeted with a nice garden with beautiful sandstone pebbles and nice shrubs of bushes. There are 2 black accented gates, one for people to enter through and one for your car. When you walk up the steps to your house, you immediately notice the high beam ceilings and the open floor plan. You'll notice throughout the house that there are accents of black, gold, and white colors, and this helps it give a modern look to the house. Moving to the kitchen, we have a large dining room that opens to the side patio. This allows for the house to feel really spacious and also gives it a sort of a connectiveness with every single aspect of the house, from the backyard to the kitchen to the front of the house. We also have a large flexible bar that is used to entertain people. We have a custom cook's kitchen with a trough sink, 6-burner stove, and Brezo faucets. Going outside, you can enjoy a sparkling pool with a spa and cabana to enjoy the quiet summer evenings in the heart of LA. The pool contains a pool fountain, which I think is a really elegant touch. The pool cabana is covered and offers ample seating to entertain friends, to entertain family, and loved ones. There are also beach chairs to sit back, relax, and sunbathe. And as you can see, there's a lot of covering that surrounds the property. This means that when you are sunbathing or having alone time with family, there's a lot of comfort knowing that nobody's going to be seeing directly into your backyard. Moving back indoors, there are 2 rooms on the first floor. This first room is the office space. I really enjoy how this room is staged. There's a lot of glass in this room, there's a lot of light that comes in from the big windows, and the accessories are simple, elegant, and not distracting. Across from the home office, there is a guest suite. The guest suite is beautifully decorated as there are art pieces hung around the room that are simple and minimalistic. The bathroom has white countertops and gold accented hardware in the bathroom, and you can see this theme throughout the entire guest suite. Before going upstairs, there's a half bathroom that is nicely tucked away at the staircase entrance. This staircase portion is honestly one of my favorite moments of the house. It's hard to explain exactly why I feel this way, but with the long ceiling light as well as the large round gold mirror, everything in this portion of the house just works, and it's so aesthetic. There are 4 beds upstairs, and walking through the long hall, we get to the master bedroom. The first thing you notice about the master is that there's a lot of light that gets into this room. There's a lot of white in the bedroom, and this is exemplified even more in the bathroom. You have a pretty large bathtub along with a roomy shower that is all white. The cool thing about this house is that every single bedroom has its own bathroom, and this is really important if you care about privacy. In this bathroom, there are also fake plants to help bring a little life into the bathroom. Inside the master, there's also a walk-in closet to hold your bags, clothes, and suits. This master is also unique because it doesn't just have one balcony. There's a balcony overlooking the pool, and there's also this balcony shown here. This balcony directly faces the sunset, and with the LA skyline at your horizon, it must be beautiful. This is the second bedroom out of 4 that are upstairs. Once again, we have a minimalistic yet elegant room that is showcased here. To get the most use out of the space, the builders built custom floor-to-wall closet space to store everyday needs. Walking to the end of the hallway, we have 2 bedrooms that are facing across from each other. In this house, every bedroom besides the master sort of have the same layout. There's usually a queen-size bed in the middle of the room. The room has its own bathroom, and there's also some closet space used to store clothes. I really like this bathroom because of the mirror and the hanging lights. Here's the last bedroom that is upstairs. I like this bedroom because it's the second biggest bedroom behind the master. It's so big that it actually has its own walk-in closet. With the house, even though the layouts are relatively the same, each has their own story to tell. And just like that, this is what $3.5 million will get you in the heart of LA. Really excited to hear the feedback on this video. If you had $3.5 million to spend, would you buy this house? Yes or no? And tell me why. If you don't live in LA, let me ask you this question. Where do you live now, and where do you want to live in the future? A big shout out to Rosalie Klein and the agency for letting me film this property. I'll leave her link in the description below, and make sure to check her out.